Hello guys, welcome in this video. Today, I'm gonna show you how to install Windows 10 with the help of USB drive. First of all, we need to create bootable USB. Guys, if you don't know how to create, so don't worry. I've already created a video for bootable USB. So I'll give you link in the description where you can watch it. After create bootable USB, restart your PC. Go to Boot Manager and select the USB drive. Now Windows 10 setup has been started. Select language. Click on Install Now. Click on I don't have a product key. I accept the license terms. Here we have to select our drive, where we want to install. Also we can shrink volume here, just click on New, and enter the size which we want to create for a new partition. But guys, right now I have 20 GB, so I have to create 20 GB partition, because it's recommended for Windows 10. After create, just click on Next. Now installing has been started. Now it's going to restart. System is getting ready. Select Use Express setting. Now just type the name, if you want to set password, so you can hear, but I don't want. I want to use Cortana. Now guys, system seems to ready, but it's not, because after installing the Windows we have to install drivers, so don't worry, I've already created a video, how to fix drivers problem. I'll give you link in the description. So guys, if you like this video, so please give us thumbs up. If you have any questions, so feel free to comment, and thanks for watching.